the prefectures of Gifu and Aichi, located in the heart of Japan. I came here to experience the real Japan, unchanged by history, and to see how people live amidst the surrounding bountiful nature. This is Sakushima, an island I reached by ferry just before dawn. The forest here had an otherworldly feel, and the vast ocean was simply awe-inspiring. There's a unique path lined with jars in Tokoname, a town known for its pottery. Walking down this path gives me a nostalgic feeling of Japan's history. It almost feels like I've gone back in time. Riding an electronic bike around Gujo Hachiman was exhilarating. Being able to ride around this old-style town on a bicycle, surrounded by nature, is a great experience. Shirakawa-go is a World Heritage Site known for its historic landscape and traditional Japanese houses. Learning about Shirakawa-go's history inside of a 160-year-old house was a truly unique and special experience. Sitting around the open hearth warmed me up in no time. Nayagi Castle Ruins is a charming spot, especially its stone wall that was built using large boulders. I'll never forget this scenery. One day, I'll definitely be back here in Gifu and Aichi to meet more people and see all this again.